Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, right? And it's your guy here, the old coin doctor here, bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency analysis, price prediction and technical analysis right here for all your favorite coins. So we are looking at YFI. We are currently ranked at 151 with a market cap of about $182 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $22 million, and today we are going to be looking at the AI price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And so, without further ado, we are right here on our AI platform. And currently, as you can see, for the end of the week, unfortunately, our AI is bearish right here on YFI. And currently, as you can see, our AI is predicting with the price of YFI at today or at the time of recording at 5,526. Our AI is predicting that by the end of the week, September 23 to be exact, we could see a 7% dump right there for YFI, right? With our current price of fear and greed index right there at 46. uh, our AI combines a lot of indicators, right, to get through to give us a simulated price prediction, right? And as you can see, the price forecast based on technical analysis. So this is the AI saying based on data. The general YFI price prediction or YEARN finance sentiment is neutral with 15 technical indicators or technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals, while 15 is signaling bearish signals, right? So 50% of the technical indicators are bullish and 50% are bearish. So it uses a lot of technical indications and signals to be able to generate its price prediction, right? And this is the simulated price prediction right here by our AI. Our AI said we could see a push right here to the 5,800, so 5,787. But by the end of the week, we could see the gains given back to the market for YFI push to that $5,000 level right there for YFI, right? So our AI is giving us a simulated price prediction, and it uses a lot of indicators or technical signals to get through to this, including the daily SMA, the daily EMAs, right? It combines all of them, including the weekly SMA, the weekly EMA, combining them right there with the RSI, the stochastic, the CCI, the ADX, the awesome oscillator. So it combines all these signals to be able to formulate some sort of price prediction mechanism right there for YFI. So in the next, by the end of the week, the AI is predicting that we could see that dump of about 7%. Now, mind you, this is not financial advice. That sometimes the AI is correct, but sometimes it's also wrong, right? As you know, with the financial market. So take this with a grain of salt, right? Generally, the AI is bullish on the long term right there for YFI. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.